whatever you thought you knew about green beans, you ain't even close. This is Fork and Photo. My name is Jade. Come on, let's go. First thing first, wash your green beans. This is a 10 to 12 ounce bag worth of beans that I have washed. Now, on a cutting board, trim the stems from the green bean. The little bitty stringy part, you don't want to eat that, boo. After you have trimmed all of your green beans, add them to a large bowl and drizzle with olive oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, maybe about 4 to 6 cloves, or more, it's your world. Then season your green beans with ground white pepper, a small sprinkle of jalapeno powder or cayenne pepper or chili powder, whatever you have, just something with a kick. A good liberal amount of onion powder, a little bit of accent or seasoned salt, whichever one you prefer, and mix that all together. Use your hand, a spoon, whatever you want. I use my hand. That's the mood I was in. Now that you've mixed it all together, just taste it to see where you are. I added a little bit of adobo or complete seasoning to bring it all together here, as well as a little sprinkle of light brown sugar. Yes, on green beans. Toss it all together, taste it to make sure it's seasoned to your liking, then add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and combine. Now that your green beans are seasoned, it is time to cook them in the air fryer. So, in your air fryer basket, make sure it is sprayed really well with the nonstick cooking spray or olive oil. Line your green beans in the air fryer. Place it on 400 degrees for 6 minutes. Halfway through, at 3 minutes, shake your air fryer basket to make sure that your green beans are cooking evenly and place it back into the air fryer to cook for the remaining 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes have ended, remove your green beans from the air fryer. Give them a good shake, and guess what, baby? You are done. I like to pour the green beans back into the bowl that I mixed them in just to get all that extra seasoning and garlic, all that I needed on my green beans and in my life. But y'all already know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, make it at home, and tag me, boo. But make sure if you don't do anything else, you make sure you eat good. Until next time, y'all.